Hey everybody. Today I'm going to go through a couple of the tools that we use here at Google to test our software. And I'll be showing you guys about 5 tools, and we might as well just jump in right now with the first tool, is Test Analytics. Now this tool is very important here at Google. Basically what it's used for is finding out what exactly it is we need to test. And so instead of just telling you about it right here, I'll just jump right into a project so I can show you the functionalities. Now you can see I can create a new project here, but because of all these projects that I'm obviously working on because I love testing, I have a couple of different of the test projects that I can just show you. So let's jump into a simple web store application. Now, if you can see here on the side that this gives a bit of a general explanation, I guess, of the project, the description. And you can see here on the side that we have attributes, components, and capabilities. Now, I assume you guys are familiar with the ACC model that we use here at Google for testing our software. And so you can see that on the attributes we can add some attributes. Now, for the simple web store we have secure, simple, and fast. Sweet and simple. For the components, being the nouns and the things you can actually do, the features you can say, you need a search functionality, a social functionality, whatever that might entail, a sales channel functionality, and a shopping cart. Now, as you probably know if you are familiar with the ACC model, capabilities are the intersections between attributes and components, making sure that the components can actually meet the attributes. So, in here, the tool gives you the ability to find these intersections. And you can see that if you want to have a search functionality, you also need to make it fast, simple, secure. And what you can do is you can add different types of capabilities within these intersections. So you need to make sure that the search results, for example, return in less than 1 second, a fast search view right there. And let's say for the sales channel functionality, it needs to be simple, right? So if I go there, I need to make sure that my mom can figure out how to place an order. Now, the cool thing about this is if you go into the extra options here, you can check, you can set the frequency of failure and the impact of these bugs, and that basically can rank them in a hierarchy of how severe of a bug that they can be. So if you check the overview of your risks, then it will, in a color gradient scale from red to white, it'll show you how severe things are. Now a red bug is more severe, needs to be fixed, and these type of things we generally assign to Google employees, full-time employees. As you get into the orange and yellows, that goes more to contractors, and then the white parts are basically handled by dog food users who just go about fixing those things in their spare time. They're not that big of a deal. Alright, so this tool here also allows you to check out the different capabilities that these guys map to, and you can also check the different tests that you've made for meeting attributes, components, and capabilities, and different bugs that have come in through bug reports and things like that. So that is Test Analytics, very useful, very awesome, and so we'll just jump right into the next tool in the next video.